Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable FaceTime on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing is go into your setting on your iPhone and you're going to want to verify that you're signed into an Apple account. If you are not, go ahead and tap on it to sign in or create one for free. If you don't know how to do that, follow our guide on video on that. I'll leave a link for that as well. But Apple account is required in order to use the FaceTime feature on your iPhone. And then from there on, go scroll all the way down to settings to apps. This is on iOS 18, so the menu has slightly changed from the previous versions. And then from the app section, you're going to scroll down to the F section for FaceTime. And right here, it gives you the ability to enable FaceTime. So let's tap on it. You may not see anything once you click on it. You're just going to go back again and then open up the settings again. It'll refresh and all the settings for FaceTime will be available. But if you go a little bit further down, the important feature is that this section says either your Apple ID email or your phone number so that people can reach you at FaceTime using that email or the phone number with your contact. And after that, you're ready to use FaceTime. You can open up the FaceTime app, exiting out of that, and then you can select to start a new FaceTime with someone or create a link that you can send to Android users so they can join as well on a FaceTime with you. So that's how you enable FaceTime on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.